Hello! Welcome back! Today, magre-review tayo ng new skincare line dito sa Philippines na made in Korea. Yes, galing siya sa Korea, and what really stood out for me dito sa skincare line na to is it's very, very affordable kahit na galing pa siya sa Korea, the land of the skincare products. So, yun na nga, I'm sure marami na kayong napanood ng mga videos about this product or this skincare line. And i-introduce ko na sa inyo, ang dami kong daldal. We are reviewing Hyaloo. We have 5 of their products dito, and we have yung blue na variant. Kasi nakikita ko merong mga reviews na yung orange yung meron sila. Me, I have the blue one. So, tignan natin how it works for me. Actually, 1 month ko na to tinatry, and I have my thoughts listed down here sa notebook ko. So, if you are interested, just keep watching the video. So, simulan muna natin. I'm gonna tell you a little more about this brand. So, Hyaloo yung pangalan niya dahil yung main ingredient ng mga products ito is the holy grail ng mga skincare, and it's hyaluronic acid. Yes, lagi niyo yan naririnig sa mga skincare products. Laging yan yung main selling point nila. And for this brand, yun din yung product nila kasi it's a very, very good product talaga for our skin. So this line, yung Aqua Plus line nila, it has 4 types of hyaluronic acid. Hindi na nila sinabi kung ano yung 4 types na yun, and I'm not really sure kung para saan yung 4 types na yun, but I'm guessing, syempre hyaluronic acid siya. It's for moisturization and hydration. Plus, this one, it also has ceramides. Ceramides are barriers, so it protects our skin, plus it keeps the hydration in place. Kinikip niya yung moisture doon para hindi mag-dry yung skin natin. And meron din daw tong 7 plant extracts. I think included na yung sika, green tea extract, yung mga ganyan. May mga nabasa ako na doon sa ibang products meron nun. And also, yung skincare line na to is paraben-free, cruelty-free, lahat ng mga free, mineral oil-free, alcohol-free, and pH balance siya. So, hindi siya parang yung nakaka-dry. Yung parang ang sikip ng skin nyo. And lastly, hindi pa last. Nagbabasa ako. Vegan din siya and non-comedogenic. So, yun yung mga claims niya. Yun yung characteristics ng mga products na to. And ngayon, gawin natin yung skincare routine na ginagawa ko with these products. Papakita ko sa inyo, and then I'm gonna tell you all my thoughts about them. Okay? And of course, step 1 is hugas ng mukha. Maghuhugas ka ng mukha, lilinisin mo. And they have the Aqua Plus Foam Wash. Hindi ko na ipapakita na naghuhugas ako ng mukha, you know naman kung paano maghugas ng mukha. But this one, I like this very much kasi feel ko na super na-cleanse niya talaga yung skin ko. Ngayon, yan yung itsura ng skin ko. Nalinis ko na siya. And it also claims na hindi siya drying. Yes, hindi nga siya drying. And parang feeling ko, hydrated pa rin yung skin ko, and meron siyang parang smoothness na iniiwan. I like it very much. I recommend this product sa inyo if dry skin kayo and ayaw nyo yung feeling na, alam nyo yung pagka-wash nyo, sobrang parang nagta-tighten, and alam nyo dry na dry yung skin nyo, kawawang-kawawa talaga siya. Ito, hindi siya ganon. Also, this is sulfate-free and it's also alcohol-free. One thing lang, this has fragrance. So, kung sensitive kayo sa fragrance, this is no for you. But for me naman, pagdating sa fragrance, basta lang hindi sobrang taas niya dun sa ingredient list, okay lang. So, I like this one. Fresh na fresh din yung amoy niya. Parang medyo shampoo-y, ganun. Basta parang ang linis-linis ng amoy niya. So, I like it. By the way, this one, it retails for 285 pesos only for 100 ml na. Sulit na. Next we have is the low pH cleansing toner. This one, aside from cleansing, for me kasi ang toner more on binabalik niya yung pH balance ng face. Yun yung kailangan natin after washing our face kasi nga gaya ng sabi ko kanina, parang medyo madidisrupt yun, magiging parang tight and dry siya. Ito yung magbabalik ng balance na yun. So for me, yun yung mas gamit niya sa akin. Aside from that, nag-help din siya na i-minimize yung pores, and yes, nagagawa nga niya yon. Usually, dapat ina-apply to with cotton pads. Pero me, I just apply it with my hands lang. Lalagay ko lang all over my face. I want to stress also na this is alcohol-free. Yun yung pinaka-sensitive ako about pagdating sa mga toners. Kasi may mga toners na Yes, cleansing nga siya, ganyan, pero may alcohol siya. So, imbis na makatulong, mas lalong nakaka-dry siya, lalo na sa skin type ko na super, 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 super dry. This one, it retails for only 345 pesos for 150 ml. Ang dami na nun, 150 ml. Sulit din! Ang dilim ba? Grabe yung ulan ngayon, as in. Anyways, move on na tayo. We have the Deep Hydrating Gel. Ito, it's for the face and body na, which is very good talaga for me. And I'm gonna be honest, sobrang may ganun, sobrang gusto ko siya sa body kasi nga, this is non-sticky and non-greasy. Yung problema ko sa lotion, lalo na kunyari before matulog, naiinis ako kasi ang lagkit-lagkit, tas parang ang oily-oily no skin, tas lalo akong pinapawisan kahit kakaligo ko lang. So, it doesn't do that. Yun lang masasabi ko. Ang ganda niya talaga sa skin, especially for the body. For the face naman, magiging honest din ako ulit, it's not that hydrating for me. Kulang siya sa hydration for me pagdating sa face kasi nga super dry ako. Pero, I like it under makeup, parang as my primer. Kasi, hindi nga siya greasy. Pero, sa gabi, it's not the moisturizer I use. More on for morning use siya sa akin. Lalo na dito sa humid and hot weather natin. Perfect na perfect siya. Yun nga, for our humid and hot weather. And, out of sa lahat ng mga products dito, I think ito yung parang pinaka sulit talaga and sobrang mura kasi it's only 365 pesos for 200 ml. Ang dami nun, 200. Pang lotion talaga siya, pang body talaga. So, for comparison, ito yung 100 ml. Ito siya, 200 ml. Yun lang. So, sobrang sulit, ang mura lang. Next product naman is the Hyaloo Aqua Plus Water Cream. Ito yung SPF nila. And this is SPF 50+++++. So, very, very protected ka nito. But you have to reapply. Like with any SPF naman, kailangan nagre-reapply throughout the day. What stood out sa akin dito is, yun nga, yung description niya, water cream siya. So, very watery siya, very thin yung consistency niya. And hindi siya nagli-leave ng white cast. Plus, hindi rin siya greasy or sticky yung feel. So, hindi ka pagpapawisan. Again, perfect na perfect again sa humid and hot weather. This one, similar siya sa isa sa mga favorites ko na sunscreen na Korean brand din, which is yung Real Kill 99 sunscreen. Parehas na parehas sila ng consistency and yung lightweight na feel. Plus, wala rin white cast. So, yun yung same sila. Pero, sobrang mas mura to kasi ito parang around 500, 600 pesos. This one, it's only 345 pesos for 50 ml. Wala palang takip. Nasaan yung takip? Siyempre, ngayon umaraw kung kailan patapos na me. Ay, nako. Okay, so last we have is the... Ay, sorry. Ay, oo nga eh. Stop. So, last we have is the Hydrating Sheet Mask. This one, nandito nga yung 4 hyaluronic acid types na ingredient. And then, may ceramides din siya. And yung 7 na plant-based extracts, including Cica and green tea extract. With any sheet mask naman, this one, it's very, very hydrating talaga. Mafe-feel nyo na very plump, na pamper talaga yung skin nyo after this. So, I recommend using this at least once a week para lang boost ulit yung skin natin. But, one thing lang, this has fragrance. So again, kung sensitive kayo doon and kung ayaw nyo talaga ng fragrance at all sa mga products nyo, this is not for you. Pero, it is alcohol-free. It is mineral oil-free also. Kasi maraming nagkaka-pimples pagdating sa mineral oil. So, medyo nilalayoan dapat siya. Yun. And, it retails for only 85 pesos. So, once a week, 85 pesos. Not bad. Okay, so yun na yun. Yun na yung 5 products na ni-review natin today. Actually, 1 month ko na siya nire-review. So, medyo sobrang ganun na ng thoughts ko. Alam ko na yung iniisip ko about them. Overall, I recommend these products sa inyo. Especially sa price point niya. Sobrang mura niya for the quality you're getting. Sa care na mabibigay niya sa skin nyo with these products. And it's very easy to use. Very straight to the point naman lahat kung kailan nyo kailangan gamitin yung mga products. And I don't find na nag-cause siya ng any problems with me. Hindi naman ako nagkaroon ng mga usual ko na pantal-pantal pagka hindi okay yung product with my skin. Yung only thing nga, again, for very dry skinned people, yung moisturizer I think would not be enough, especially at night. Maganda siya for daytime use, pero pagdating sa nighttime use, I think you would need something a little bit more hydrating with thicker consistency, yung mga ganon. If you're like me na ganon yung ginagawa ko paggabi. But under makeup, it works very well. Ang ganda niya kasi ang lightweight niya, hindi ka magiging greasy, hindi niya i-disrupt yung makeup application nyo. So, yun. I love this. And sa body talaga, dun ko talaga siya super magiging holy grail kasi nga I hate yung feeling ng stickiness and parang hindi ka makagalaw kasi pinapawisan ka agad. Hindi niya yung ginagawa kasi absorbed agad talaga siya ng skin. Yun na. Ang daming daldal. So, if umabot ka sa part ng video na to, thank you very much. It means you found value in my content and you enjoyed it. Kaya, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Follow nyo na rin yung mga social media ko. And thank you again for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye. Bye-bye.